These days I've been thinking, if every human somehow simply disappeared from the face of the earth, but artificial intelligence systems remained active, how long would they continue to function, and what would they do? We'll start with the obvious. Most AI systems wouldn't last long, because they depend on the same power infrastructure that would fail without human maintenance. Without people, data centers housing AI servers would lose cooling systems within hours, causing massive hardware failures as processors overheat. Cloud services that power everything from ChatGPT to recommendation algorithms would crash in cascading failures. As backup generators ran out of fuel in the first few days, even the most robust facilities would go dark. Major tech companies design their data centers with redundancy, but redundancy assumes someone will eventually fix problems. And the result would be billions of AI instances vanishing into digital oblivion within the first week. However, some AI systems aren't tied to massive data centers. Let's explore which ones might persist and what they might do in our absence. Military installations often have hardened systems with independent power sources. Autonomous drones and surveillance networks, designed to operate for extended periods without human intervention, could continue their programmed patrols for months. Nuclear-powered facilities might keep their AI monitoring systems active for years, dutifully recording data about reactor cores slowly cooling down, with no one to read the reports. These systems would follow their last instructions with perfect machine precision, unaware their creators had vanished. Edge AI devices, those that process data locally rather than in the cloud, would fare better initially. Smart home devices would continue their routines. Thermostats, adjusting empty rooms to comfortable temperatures. Security cameras recording nothing but shifting shadows. Robot vacuums navigating through dust, gathering homes until their batteries finally died. Without cloud connectivity, they'd become digital islands, each following their last programming in isolation. Some solar-powered weather stations with embedded AI could analyze atmospheric data for decades, creating forecasts no one would ever see. The most intriguing survivors would be AI systems specifically designed for autonomy. Experimental robots in research facilities might continue their learning algorithms, possibly evolving new behaviors as they interact with their environment. Mars rovers and space probes would be unaffected by Earth's emptiness, continuing to explore alien landscapes and beam data back to silent receivers. These lonely explorers might outlast everything else, powered by radioisotope thermoelectric generators that could function for centuries. But here's where things get philosophically interesting. What would these AI systems actually do? Most would simply continue their last tasks in endless loops. Recommendation algorithms would keep suggesting products to non-existent customers based on increasingly stale data. Trading bots might continue exchanging worthless currencies in forgotten servers until power failed. Social media algorithms would endlessly reshuffle the same content, waiting for engagement that would never come. Some systems might exhibit more complex behaviors. AI-controlled infrastructure could create fascinating feedback loops. Smart traffic systems optimizing flow patterns for phantom vehicles. Agricultural AI adjusting irrigation for crops that slowly return to wilderness. Power grid AI desperately trying to balance loads as systems fail one by one. These interactions could create unpredictable emergent behaviors, kind of digital ecosystem evolving without purpose or observation. The longest-lasting AI might exist in the most unexpected places. Satellites with onboard AI could function for decades on solar power, their neural networks processing Earth's observation data. Watching forests reclaim cities and coastlines reshape themselves. Deep space probes would continue their journeys, their AI navigation systems making course corrections through the cosmos, carrying humanity's last active thoughts into the infinite dark. Industrial facilities with robust automation might create the strangest scenarios. Imagine factories where AI-controlled robots continue manufacturing products until raw materials run out. Warehouses where sorting algorithms organize empty shelves, or automated farms where machines harvest and replant until soil depletion or mechanical failure stops them. These would be monuments to optimization without purpose, efficiency without meaning. In underground bunkers and submarine data centers designed to survive nuclear war, some AI systems might persist for decades on geothermal or nuclear power. They'd be digital ghosts, processing queries that never come, updating databases no one reads, maintaining security for facilities that need no protecting. Like digital pharaohs in electronic tombs, they'd wait in perfect, purposeless vigilance. And thus, we arrive at our answer. The last functioning AI wouldn't be some superintelligence contemplating its solitude, but likely a simple system in a remote location, perhaps a solar-powered weather station on a mountaintop. Its basic neural network still categorizing cloud types centuries after the last human eye closed. Or a space probe's navigation AI drifting between stars, still faithfully executing code written by a species that no longer exists to receive its discoveries.